Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to animate manga on CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my CapCut application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create new project. So I'm going to click on new project, and then I'm going to add background for my video. For the background, I'm just going to choose this one. And I'm going to add this background to my project. We can click on the add button like this. Okay, and then you can extend the duration according to the video duration that you want. But wait guys, I'm going to remove the ending. Okay, and here you can change the aspect ratio if you want. You can go to the aspect ratio and then you can choose the ratio you want to apply to your video. And now it's time to add manga character to this project. I'm going to go to the overlay and add overlay. And for example, I'm just going to add this manga character to my video. And I'm going to animate this character. I'm going to click on add to add this character to my project. And we're going to remove the background of this image. If you want to remove background, we can go to the remove background option, and then you can select auto removal, custom removal, or chroma key. If you have green screen photo, you can use chroma key, but here I'm just going to use either custom removal or auto removal. If you have subscribed to CapCut, you can use this feature. But if you haven't subscribed to CapCut, you can select custom removal and you can manually remove the background of the image. I'm just going to use this one, and now the background has been removed, and I'm going to click on the check mark. And now it's time to animate this character. We can go to the animation. Oops. You can click on the image and then go to the animation, and I'm just going to choose combo animation. All right, and select the animation that you want to apply to the manga character. Okay, you just need to choose the best animation for your manga. Okay, for example, I'm just going to choose full spin, and we can customize the duration right here. And after that, we just need to click on the check mark. Okay, and once you're ready to save it, you can click on export. But wait, I'm going to show you the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to animate manga on CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.